Hello students, today we are going to learn about jam session which is very useful to you. Learning English with fun, it builds confidence and activities building confidence. In this jam session, we are going to see introduction to jam session. What is a jam session? The word jam stands for just a minute. It's a public speaking activity where students speak for 3 to 5 minutes on a given topic. Jam session helps you to focus on fluency. It improves your confidence and communication skills. The objectives of a jam session are: jam session improves your speaking, listening, and critical thinking skills among the students. The benefits of a jam session are: the jam session enhances to participate in public speaking activities and it boosts your confidence. It helps you to think quickly and creatively. It also enhances your vocabulary and communication skills. However, jam session helps you to overcome fear. How to plan a jam session? 4 steps involved in preparing for a jam session. Step 1. Set a time limit, 3 to 5 minutes per student. Step 2. Prepare a list of topics in advance. Step 3. Assign roles. There will be a moderator, timer, and judges. Step 4. Explain the rules to the participants. Remember the rules of jam session. Hesitation. No long pauses. And there should not be repetition. No repeating words or ideas. Deviation. Stick to the assigned topic. Avoid fillers like no, or like. Conducting a jam session. Assign topics randomly or allow students to choose. Every student is given 30 seconds for preparation time and it's optional. The moderator starts the timer and ensures students follow the rules. The student speaks for 3 to 5 minutes without breaking any rules. Evaluation criteria. Your jam session is evaluated by the judges. By judging parameters are: content relevance is given importance up to 40%. You are checked on your fluency and confidence 30%. Creativity and clarity 20%. And the last one, rule and adherence 10%. Providing feedback. At the end of the jam session, compliment strengths, great ideas or great fluency. Offer suggestions like avoid long pauses or stay on topic. Create a positive atmosphere where students feel comfortable and encouraged. Some fun topic ideas. Creative topics of a jam session are: if I were invisible for a day, the weirdest dream I ever had, my favorite superhero and why, a world without social media, and many more. Well, I hope that this video is very helpful to you. And here we have few tips for success. In order to have success in jam session, start with easy or fun topics to engage shy among students. Keep the atmosphere positive and supportive. Recognize the best speakers with prizes or certificates. And conclude, jam session improves communication and critical thinking skills. Plan the session with clear rules and engaging topics. Provide constructive feedback for continuous improvement. So if you take these things into consideration, definitely you can participate in a jam session with ease and with confidence. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe.